Hi everyone. We've been developing and producing our dynamic panels for 10 years. Our products are popular among decorators, designers, and visual ad creators all over the world. Our success is the result of constant research and development of high-quality Sola Air products. We pay special attention to the color shades of the reflective elements. Today, we offer over 50 colors in our palette. In addition to standard shades, we apply any image to the sequins for your own unique decor. The material quality deserves a special mention. We produce panels and reflective elements from the most sustainable polymers. Our primary goal is to produce the perfect product that meets all the needs of our customers. Today, I'd like to tell you about our new Sola Air 2.0 line. We can offer you two upgraded products, Standard and Pixel Series panels. New panels have become lighter, more airy and elastic. We've increased the movement range of the sequins, along with the visual dynamic and volume. And most importantly, we've created a new type of connector to simplify the assembly and disassembly process, as well as fasten panels more tightly. And that's not all. You can find the entire palette of shades and the full Sola Air system description on our website. We pay special attention to the quality of our products and constantly improve the customer service so that you can enjoy a unique and state-of-the-art product.